Start with your waffle cup squishy. Then take your Bluerazzleberry Jameez and stretch it into a long gooey strip and spiral it onto your squishy. Take some of your Tangerini Fluffiwhipz and roll it into a ball. Then take another piece of Fluffiwhipz and fluff it and twist it around the ball to make a Fluffiwhipz ice cream scoop. Look at that! It looks just like your squishy ice cream scoops. Let's make another one. Just twist and twirl, then place your second Fluffiwhipz ice cream scoop and your second ice cream scoop squishy. That's a whole lot of slimy squishy ice cream. Let's add a banana. Stretch your Melonade Drizzlerz over the top for a perfect slimy glaze. Take your Lemonitwist Swirleez and stretch it into a long, thin piece. Do the same with your Razzleberry Swirleez. Cut different lengths to make a variety of sizes. Then spiral them together. Add all of your swirly spirals to your slimy creation. And don't forget your dollop of whipped cream. Give it your best squeeze. Mixing the two different swirlies together will make a brand new color. What would you call this color? Let us know in the comments. Separate the toppings and put your toppings back into their reusable packages to keep them fresh and ready for next time.